Every now and then we see so many videos on YouTube that claims that high protein dishes can be made in less than 5 minutes. But they generally involve chopping and cutting that might not be a cup of tea for you just like me. So let us see 4 high protein breakfasts that you can make without the help of your mother. Please don't skip. I will make sure that I will do justice with the time you have given to me. Welcome to Ignited Beast. I am Mukul. Let us start without any further delay. Sometimes we get bored of eating eggs and fruit, but to feed our taste buds yet in a healthy way, protein pancake is the best solution.
Here we will take eggs and banana, put eggs into the grinder, and now it is the turn for banana. Heat up the pan and add the oil. Make sure you use olive oil and so that it becomes ready till we make the mixture. Now pour the mixture into an open vessel where you can mix it easily. Now it's time to add whey protein of your choice. Try to mix it a bit. You will find it is not in a liquid state, so we have to add a little bit of milk in it, a little bit of milk, so that it becomes into a liquid form. Now mix it well and your mixture would be ready like this. Now pour the mixture into the pan. Make sure you pour it slowly so that it takes a circular shape. Now you have to wait for 2 minutes for one side and then turn it around to the other side and again wait for 2 minutes, and now you will see that it will be ready. It looks delicious. You can also add 1 tablespoon of honey just for the taste, and it's done.
Indian pulses have been a part of our diet and they are really healthy. But to find a way to consume them other than with chapati, moong dal paneer chila is a very healthy way.
Soak the moong dal overnight so that it becomes little soft. Now you have to add it into the grinder, and now it's turn to remove some extra water so that it doesn't become too liquid when we grind it. Now after grinding is done, we have to add it into an open vessel where you can mix easily. Make ready the mixture of mashed paneer and added veggies inside it. You can also add veggies of your choice, capsicum, onion, tomato, and now mix it well so that it is completely ready. Now light up the stove and heat up the pan and add little bit of olive oil. And now you have to spread the oil, or you can also use olive oil spray. When the pan is heated, you have to add the mixture and spread it in a circular shape like a dosa. Make sure it doesn't get too thin so that it doesn't break off. Now you have to turn for the other side after waiting for 2 minutes so the other side also get ready, and it will be done in 2 or 3 minutes. Now you have to add some paneer mixture. Now you have to fold it from the one side so that it looks like a chila. So now within 2 or 3 minutes it will be ready, as you can see. Here you can use homemade imli chutney and it would taste awesome.
Cheese is seen as an unhealthy product by many of us, but it is not really if used in moderation. Moreover, it can add a tasty touch to the boring dishes. So, cheese omelette becomes a perfectly healthy meal.
Here we have taken 3 egg whites and 2 whole eggs. We add some onion into it. Now add the olive oil onto the heated stove so that it gets ready. Now it's time to add egg mixture. Make sure you keep the cheese ready. Add the mixture onto the pan adjust the pan a bit so that it doesn't falls off the pan. And after waiting for 2-3 minutes, you can turn it onto the other side. And now again turn back. It's the time to add some cheese slice. Turn its sides onto the cheese slice so that it gets perfectly melted. And now you have to turn it on the other side. After few minutes you will see it's ready. Here, as you can see, the cheese is perfectly melted inside it, and it really tastes awesome.
Generally, we use eggs to make boiled egg, half fry and omelette, and also take breads along with it. Omelette toast is really tasty, juicy and easy to make. Thereby it becomes a perfect combo of egg and bread.
Here we have taken 2 brown breads and eggs. Light off the pan to make it heated enough. Now you have to dip the bread inside the egg mixture. Make sure you do not dip it for too long or it would break down from between. Now put it on the pan. Now is the turn for the other bread to also dip inside the egg mixture. Also put it on the pan. After waiting for 2-3 minutes, you will see it will turn into golden brown. Turn it on the other side so that both the sides get ready. Now after 2-3 minutes you will see it's ready. It looks so soft, tasty and juicy, and it's ready.
I hope you like the recipes and will include them in your lifestyle. The motive behind these was to make your food tasty and also fulfill the protein requirement. I would also suggest to use less oil and butter and also to use cheese only once or twice per week. If you like this video, you can give me a thumbs up and also hit the subscribe button. I would bring up the best content to meet your expectations. Thank you for watching.